Baking a cake for Lebo. Today is Lebo's birthday. Let's bake a cake. We need eggs, butter, flour and sugar. Mix, mix, mix. Sam puts the cake in the hot oven. Wait, wait, wait. We all help to frost the cake. Mix, mix, mix. Happy birthday to you. Lebo blows the candles out. Blow, blow, blow. We all eat the cake. Munch, munch, munch. Happy birthday, Lebo. I hope you enjoyed the story. Why don't you try and answer these questions? Who was having a birthday? What did Lebo's friends make for her? Mix, wait and blow are all doing words. They are also called verbs. Can you think of other doing words or verbs? Frosting is another word for icing. Do you remember the colour of the icing on Lebo's cake? Do you think Lebo has good friends? Why do you say this? The children used 4 ingredients to make the cake. Can you remember what they were? Now why don't you role play the story?